Most estimating tools start from an empty spreadsheet. BuildNorm starts from a structured construction workflow. Every estimate follows the same 8 construction sections, making projects easier to organize and compare. Within each section, work items are organized by construction system. Choose the method you build with and reuse it across projects. Finishing operations are grouped by building element, not hidden inside hundreds of unrelated positions. Labor norms, equipment time, and costs are already connected to each construction technology. Generate a structured estimate instantly and review it in your preferred language. The same estimate can be presented in multiple languages without rebuilding the project. Continue working in Excel whenever needed. BuildNorm creates structure first and exports clean spreadsheets for delivery and printing.